Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my 240, going to be doing a few things. First we're going to be installing a heat shield to protect the brake master cylinder because it kind of melted through the reservoir that holds all the brake fluid, so I've got to fix that. Then I'm probably going to be switching my taillights out. I have tinted ones on. I'm going to put the clear ones on because I think they look a lot better. But first, let's get started by opening up all the stuff I got. So let's go. All right, so got a few things here. Gonna go ahead and open them up, show you guys what's up. So first, this package, I already opened this, but this is the, I forget exactly what it's called, but it's basically this silicone tape stuff that I'm gonna put on the back of the headlights, or the back of the taillights to seal them up so they're weatherproof. So that's just some 3M something tape. This package got some gold heat resistant tape to wrap the heat shield in, just to add some more layers of it. In here, this is the heat shield for the 89 to I think 98 240SX from Circuit Sports. They also have this on Injuku, but it was more expensive on Injuku, even though they do the price matching. I didn't end up doing that, but so this is the heat shield, simple silver. Gonna be using this for the 240. Gonna have to mock it up, make sure everything fits right. And then lastly, I believe this is the turbo blanket. Like here we've got a turbo blanket, hopefully. Yeah, here we go. So looks like they sent me a used one. That's, not the coolest thing, but it should still work. So, regular old turbo blanket, hopefully it lasts. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so already started pulling off the bolt on the brake master cylinder. Gonna have to get that off. Since the car is turboed, I'm not really sure how we're gonna fit it because it's a really tight fit. But yeah, so gonna start pulling off the bolt on the brake master cylinder, and then I'm gonna have to relocate one bolt that's being used as a ground. But yeah. So yeah, as y'all can see, it's supposed to go right here, so I've got to loosen this bolt down here, and then this bolt right here, gonna have to move that to there. As you can see, it's all melted. Turbo got too hot, so gonna have to figure something out here. So here's the heat shield. Already had to bend it a little bit to kind of get it to fit. Basically, this is gonna slide in there, which I'll show y'all in a second, because it's not the easiest thing to get it to fit. So, as y'all were maybe able to see there, I got it around this bolt right here. So now I just need to bolt that back in, and then we got to figure out a way to mount it up here on the front. So let's get doing that. So quick little update, ran into a snag. I got to take the turbo blanket off first because there's just not enough space with everything to get everything working. I need to replace the turbo blanket anyway because this one's kind of fried. Got a fresh one right here, so gonna put that on. So this is what's left of the turbo blanket. Not good. What's up, everybody? So just got the turbo blanket put on the turbo. That was a lot more difficult than it should have been, but you know, first time doing that. So engine bay is looking good. It's the new turbo blanket. It's snowing. I don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing. But yeah, so now that that's done, I'm gonna get everything put back together, maybe test drive it, see how it works. So, also don't remember if I talked about this in the last video, but I did sell the exhaust on the S4, so that's gone, taken care of. Yeah, it sucks not having it. It's really quiet now. What's up, everybody? Back for another little update. So bigger issues than just the turbo blanket and the heat shield. So turbo's leaking oil. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with it. Got to do some research and see what I can figure out. But it's not looking good. It's leaking oil everywhere, and it's the manifold smoking. Things are not looking good. So gonna go home, do some research, figure out what's wrong with the turbo, if it's just an AN fitting that's leaking, or if it's a bigger problem. Hopefully it's just something small. But yeah, the heat shield's in. It, you know, I still gotta bolt it all down, but probably gonna have to pull everything out. Hopefully I don't have to, you know, pull the turbo out or anything crazy, but see what happens. Yeah, like I was saying a second ago, you see oil's leaking here out of the AN fitting and whatever this is, gasket thing, and it's leaking down into there. It's you know, it's leaking. So gonna can't get under there, but gonna, you know, take everything off, look at it, make sure nothing's broken, or you know, if it just needs something, a simple fix, needs to be replaced, easy. But if not, see what I gotta do. But thanks for watching. I know this video was completely jumbled and I didn't really get as much accomplished as I would have liked, but thank you guys for watching, if anybody watched it. See you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, the whole nine. If you enjoyed the content, if you want to see more of the 240 and the Audi, if I ever end up doing anything else to it, but it's right there. So let me know. Yeah, thanks again for watching. See ya.